So let's talk a little bit about PFAS. I know we've been hearing a lot about PFAS. So what is PFAS? Well, if you start searching for the definition of PFAS, it's really hard to find it because PFAS really is not a specific chemical or mixture, but rather a class of chemicals. And so what I did is I tried to find the most relevant one out there, and OECD has updated theirs back in July of 2021. So this is the most recent relevant kind of definition that I found, and I've placed that here. It's a cut and paste right from the OECD website, with basically what it boils down to as it's defined as fluorinated substances that contain at least one fully fluorinated methyl or methylene carbon atom. So it's really that fluorine carbon bond that becomes an issue when it comes to the substance breaking down, right? So they're referred to as forever chemicals because they break down so slowly and they accumulate in the environment over time and also in human tissue, specifically the human liver, right? And so they're detecting these substances now in newborn babies, in the drinking water, in our food supply. And so there's a big concern about where that's coming from and how we can get rid of it so that we don't pollute our environment or end up with some health problems from this. Now, so where can I find a list of PFAS? Well, it's not so simple because, as I said, a PFAS is just a category. I could sit down in a chemistry class and create a new PFAS today. So there is no master list of PFAS chemicals that you can reference. OECD has generated a list that's listed over 4,700 PFAS chemicals. EPA has over 12,000 on their master PFAS list. So which substances are you going to screen for? It's a good question. And that's what the industry is still trying to solve that question.
Learn more by viewing the full-length video online at greensofttech.com/videos. Plus, learn about our environmental regulation solutions online at greensofttech.com.